advisories are back. Hadn't had them for a couple of days, but they are here. We're talking about a heat index of 105 to 110 degrees for everybody shaded in orange, which is all of you. Now, from Jacksonville to Tallahassee, and also including Miami, we have an excessive heat warning, where it may feel like 110 to 115 degrees in those spots. Wow. Shift the winds. That's all we've done. Just put them right back to that westerly direction. So 83 in Tampa, 84 in St. Pete. We've got the winds shifting now, coming in out of the southwest in a few spots, and we'll have that general west wind all weekend long, which will take these dew points, and there they go. Dew point yesterday in St. Pete was like, what, 72, 73? Now it's 80. All we did was shift the wind. So high pressure sinking back to the south again, going to work that wind across the state. So the rain chances themselves are lower. But one other thing I wanted to show you, see this? This is some drier air in the mid-levels of the atmosphere. I think that played into yesterday's rainfall too by keeping it a little bit lower. So now you've got a west wind, which doesn't give a lot of rain to the west coast of the state. So you got that. You got a heat index over 100 and some drier air aloft. Any gains or strides that we've made in the past few days with rain go bye-bye now. So right around 1 or 2 o'clock, I think maybe you'll get a few isolated storms along I-75. And then that drift inland and toward the East Coast. Really, same thing kind of happens tomorrow, pushing everything toward the East Coast. Let's do it again for Sunday, if you will. Push everything toward the East Coast. It's not a favorable pattern for rain along the west coast of our state. We know that by now, and it's just coming right back at us again. So hot and sticky, 93 could feel as high as 105, 106, and in some spots where you're in the mid-90s, maybe 110. That's why the heat advisory is out. 40% rain chance today. Just 2 words, or you can hyphenate them tonight. Super steamy. Low temperature average near 80, and then hot with an isolated storm tomorrow and a high of about 93 degrees. Not too bad for the boaters. Light chop is expected on the coastal waters. 92-degree water temperatures. That's lovely. 5:58 is our high tide this morning, and that's over in St. Petersburg. So 3 days of 40% rain chance and 50% rain chances for next week. Highs in the lower 90s and lows near 80.